Shenzhen is a city located in the Guangdong Province of China, situated just across the border from Hong Kong. With a population of over 12 million people, it has become one of the fastest growing cities in the world. Shenzhen was originally a small fishing village, but has transformed into a bustling metropolis, known for its technology, innovation, and impressive skyline. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting Shenzhen and everything it has to offer. There are many reasons why Shenzhen is an ideal location for travel. As a modern city, it offers a wide range of activities and experiences for visitors. Located in close proximity to other popular tourist destinations, such as Hong Kong and Macau, making it an excellent location to include in any travel itinerary. For those interested in technology and innovation, Shenzhen is a particularly exciting destination as it is known as the Silicon Valley of China, with many tech companies and startups calling the city home. Things to do. Visit the Window of the World. The Window of the World is a theme park that features scaled-down replicas of famous landmarks from around the world, including the Eiffel Tower, the Taj Mahal, and the Great Wall of China. It's a great way to see many different cultures and landmarks in one place, and it's a popular destination for families and tourists. Explore the Daffin oil painting village. Daffin is a unique neighborhood in Shenzhen where hundreds of artists sell their oil paintings to art lovers from all over the world. You can browse the galleries and studios and even commission your own painting to take home as a souvenir. Go shopping at Dongguan Pedestrian Street. Dongguan is one of Shenzhen's most popular shopping destinations with a wide variety of stores selling everything from clothing and accessories to electronics and souvenirs. The street is pedestrianized so you can walk around without worrying about traffic. Take a hike in Wuhan Mountain National Park. If you're looking for a break from the city, head to Wuhan Mountain National Park. The park has several hiking trails that offer stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. There are also waterfalls, temples, and other natural attractions to explore. Enjoy the nightlife in Shekou. Shekou is a district in Shenzhen that's known for its nightlife scene. There are numerous bars, nightclubs, and restaurants to choose from, and the area has a lively and energetic atmosphere. It's a great place to unwind after a long day of sightseeing. Transportation options. Transportation options in Shenzhen include buses, taxis, and the metro system. The metro system is a convenient and affordable way to get around the city, with several lines that cover most major areas. Taxis are also readily available, but be sure to negotiate the fare before getting in. Buses are a good option for getting to more remote areas, but they can be crowded and confusing for non-Chinese speakers. Places to stay. There are many accommodation options in Shenzhen, ranging from budget hostels to luxury hotels. Popular areas to stay include the Central Business District, Shekou, and the Futian District. It's best to book in advance, especially during peak travel seasons. Best time to visit. The best times to visit Shenzhen are during the spring and autumn when the weather is mild and pleasant. The summer months can be hot and humid with frequent thunderstorms, while the winter can be chilly and damp. The peak travel season is during the Chinese New Year holiday in late January or early February when many locals travel home to celebrate with their families. Shenzhen is a fascinating city with a unique blend of modernity and tradition. Whether you're interested in exploring its towering skyscrapers or its historical landmarks, there is no shortage of things to see and do. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our travel guide showcasing all that Shenzhen has to offer.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the Travel Guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.